Welcome to this video on the Austrian Schilling, a numismatic and economic history. We will explore Austria's currency from its inception to its replacement. The shilling was introduced in 1925 to replace the unstable krone. The Schilling Act of 1924, a government law, helped cure post-war inflation by setting the exchange rate at 10,000 krone to 1 shilling. The first shilling brought stability. The mint struck beautiful silver and gold coins, showcasing the nation's return to a sound financial footing. Unfortunately, the shilling's independence was short-lived. Germany annexed Austria in 1938, replacing the shilling with the Reichsmark at a rate of 1.50 shilling to 1 Reichsmark. Following the war, the Allies reintroduced the shilling in 1945. Citizens exchanged the old currency for the new, marking the beginning of the second shilling. The second shilling was significantly longer-lived, lasting from 1945 to 2002. It replaced the Reichsmark and played a crucial role in building modern Austria. Coin materials changed over time. The mint replaced cheap aluminum with silver, and later, cupro-nickel, to improve durability and cost-effectiveness. Smaller denominations called groschen drove daily life, with 100 groschen equaling 1 shilling. These coins were essential for everyday transactions. Austria also issued silver 5 and 10 shilling coins. These pieces are highly prized by collectors today due to their craftsmanship and metal content. The National Bank also minted pure gold coins. While they held legal tender status, they primarily served as investments, not for circulation. Austrian banknotes featured famous Austrians. Robert Kalina designed the final beautiful series, showcasing national pride and heritage. Every note told a story through its design. These banknotes celebrated Austrian achievements in science, art, and society, as exemplified by this 500 shilling note featuring Rosa Mayrader. The euro replaced the shilling in 2002. The exchange rate was locked at 13.7603 shilling to 1 euro, marking the end of the shilling era. Remarkably, valid shillings remain indefinitely exchangeable. The Austrian National Bank honors them forever, so they can still be exchanged today. The shilling survived war and inflation across its 2 iterations. It remains a significant masterpiece of economic history and a testament to Austrian stability.